Hello everyone, this is me Ekta this side. So if you want to simply delete all the advertisements that pop up in your Google Chrome while you are just having some entertainment or doing some useful work, then this video is for you. Well, what we do is first hit into our Chrome application. Now we have that three dots option at the right corner. We simply click into it. Now we have the option of site settings. We click into the settings option. Now we go downwards. We have the option of site settings. Click into it. Now we go downwards. We have the option of ads. It shows allowed, right? So we click into it. Now the ads are currently allowed. Now if you want to block advertisements, then you simply turn off this option. Alright, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then please make sure to give a thumbs up, and if you want to create a Google Meet account, then hit into the video right on your screen.